Hi, here comes again. I wanna show you my one of my favorite books. This one, Beautiful Nature, God's Creation. There are 101 beautiful birds of the world. So plenty. I am entertained and reading really is my passion. I have many books, but this is my favorite. Maybe after this, I have number two favorite, The Amazing Animals. I will also read that to everyone. Thank you.